Hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel The Great Top 10 with another interesting video, Top 10 Beautiful Waterfalls in the World. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any of our future videos. So let's get started. Number 1. Niagara Falls, USA and Canada. Niagara Falls on the USA-Canada border is unquestionably the most popular waterfall on the planet. It draws somewhere between 14 and 20 million visitors yearly. It has been the spot for many reckless and brave acts, such as that achieved by Annie Edson Tyler, who endured a trip over the Niagara Falls in a vessel. At 1,223 meters width, it's far from the largest waterfall, but it is, with the falls, the most significant quantity of water moving through it. It has 3 separate sections: American Falls, Bridal Wheel Falls, and Horseshoe or Canadian Falls. The most picturesque view is from the water itself. Number 2. Plitvice Falls, Croatia. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a UNESCO's World Heritage Site in Croatia. It is famous for its lakes arid in rapids. Currently, 16 cascading lakes can be viewed and are distinguished for their unique shades with crystal clear hues of emerald and turquoise. Water passing over the limestone and chalk over the years has created the walls, resulting in natural dams that create amazingly striking waterfalls as well as rivers and caves. Each year, higher than 12 lakh visitors tour the national park. Number 3. Havasu Falls, Arizona, USA. The most picturesque waterfall in the Grand Canyon is found within the old Havasupai Indian Reservation and falls 30 meters over flaming red rocks, merging into turquoise water. Its loud roar can be heard from a half-mile away, reverberating off the steep rock walls that enclose it. The falls don a white sandy beach and have an abundance of sheltered cottonwood trees to rest by. Number 4. Kayatur Falls, Guyana. Among some of the most pristine rainforest left on Earth, Kayatur Falls is placed on the Potaro River in central Essequibo Territory, Guyana. It is 226 meters high when surveyed from its leap over a sandstone cliff to the initial break. It then moves over a set of steep cascades that, when incorporated in the measures, bring the cumulative height to 251 meters. Kayatur is one of the most voluminous waterfalls in the globe with a normal flow rate of 663 cubic meter per second. Number 5. Gullfoss, Iceland. Easily Iceland's most popular attraction, Gullfoss is the largest waterfall on the river Vita, which begins in the glacial lake Langjökull. Gullfoss implies golden falls because the glacial deposit in the water becomes golden in the sunshine. The 32 meters tall waterfall falls in 2 stages at approximately right angles to each other. As one first reaches the falls, the crevice is hidden from view so that it looks that the powerful Vita River simply dissolves into the earth. The unique characteristic of the falls makes it both noble and remarkable. Number 6. Yosemite Falls, USA. Found in one of the most stunning national parks of the USA, Yosemite Falls is the highest in North America and 5th highest in the world. Actually formed of 3 distinct falls, it has a complete drop of 739 meters. Yosemite Falls is also prized for its moonbow display in spring and a snow cone that appears at the base of the upper fall in wintertime. Fed by snowmelt, the peak flow is typically in May or June. Once all the snow in the high ranges have melted away, Yosemite Falls becomes only a trickle and is often depleted by August. Number 7. Iguazu Falls, Brazil and Argentina. One of the planet's most impressive sights, the Iguazu Falls are utterly astounding. A vacation is a jaw-dropping visceral experience, and the energy and sound of the cascade lives eternally in mind. There are more than 270 falls, attaining height of 200 feet in a region where cliffs and islets are separated in a half moon. An added advantage is the environment. The falls lie divided between Brazil and Argentina in a vast area of the national park. Much of its rainforest growing with different flora and fauna. The falls are easily approached from either side of the Argentina-Brazilian border as well as from the nearby Paraguay. Number 8. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls is placed in the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO's World Heritage Site in Venezuela. The world's highest waterfall, it drops from the Ayuntepoi into what is defined as Devil's Canyon 979 meters below. The native people named it Kerepacapoimar, but it was called Angel Falls after Jimmy Angel, an American bush pilot and gold hunting adventurer founded in 1937. The height of the falls is so huge that before getting any place near the ground, the water is atomized by the strong breezes and transformed into the mist. Number 9. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe and Zambia. Victoria Falls depicts the most magnificent curtain of dropping water in the world, a magnificent sight of beauty on the Zambezi River, making the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Columns of shower can be seen from miles away. At the extent of the monsoon, more than 500 million cubic meters of water per minute plummets over the side, over a width of 2 kilometers, into a canyon over 100 meters below. Traveling overland from Cape Town to the majestic Victoria Falls is one of the most spectacular journeys on earth. Number 10. Dettifoss Falls, Iceland. It is one of Europe's most powerful waterfalls, bestowing frozen meltwaters over its 44 meters cliff, unchecked at a flow of around 500 cubic meters per second. One can feel the ground trembling. Located at the summit of the majestic Jökulsárfjall, the Iceland version of the Grand Canyon, it is encompassed by 3 other significant waterfalls on the same river. It epitomizes the natural and raw scenery that characterizes Iceland.